Your young men shall see visions. Now, let's get into dreams and vision. That is a heaven's picture language. That's a picture language. If you go to Acts 2 verse 17, this is what Acts 2 verse 17 says. Acts 2 verse 17 says, "It shall come to pass in the last days, says God, that I will pour out my spirit on all flesh." Did you hear? He says all flesh. "Your sons and your daughters shall prophesy. Your young men shall see visions. Your old men shall dream dreams." That's Acts 2 verse 17. Now, when you're looking at dreams, dreams are not just random thoughts. Dreams are not just random thoughts. They are a spiritual picture that is trying to tell you something. And if you understand dreams interpretation, you would know that what it means. So when you wake up, ask yourself, does it align with Scripture? So when it aligns with Scripture, it doesn't stop there. You need to then ask the next question, does it bring peace or does it bring fear? Because that will also makes you know if it's God speaking or who is speaking. And also what you need to ask yourself is, what truth is God showing me here? What truth is God showing me here? Now, I'm going over to visions.